The number one reason great candidates get rejected. It's not about skills. It's all about resume trust. Join me as I dive into the hidden truths behind resumes. You might want to think twice before trusting yours. Let's uncover what really matters in your job application. Spoiler alert, it's not just what you list, it's how you present your story. Your resume should reflect authenticity, not just achievements. Are you ready to rethink your approach? Stay tuned as we explore this crucial topic together. Most resumes look impressive at first glance. But what happens when someone checks the facts? It's time to get real about your qualifications. Did you really lead that project? Or just assist? Those skills on your resume. Make sure you can back them up. Employers are digging deeper than ever. A little honesty goes a long way. Your future self will appreciate the integrity. Don't let a small lie cost you a big opportunity. If your resume says expert, you better be ready to prove it. We often see resumes as simple documents showcasing our skills and qualifications. Experience. It's common to assume that what's written on a resume is accurate and truthful. But is that really the case? Think about it. It's a trust fall with your professional integrity. What happens when that trust is broken? Recruiters don't read resumes. They verify them. Will yours survive? Employers are looking for proof, not just resume. Think about it. We're essentially relying on a piece of paper to vouch for our professional integrity. But what if that piece of paper isn't entirely honest? So be honest about your skills or be prepared for the consequences. The question is, why take the risk? What's the point of getting ahead if you're just going to get caught later? Inflated job titles and gaps in employment are common resume pitfalls. Some think it's harmless to stretch the truth a bit, but it's really not worth it. If you're found out, it can lead to termination or even lawsuits. And let's not forget the damage to your professional network. Your future job prospects could be at stake. Honesty is the best policy, especially in your career. Resume. Lies, the silent career killer. You might have seen a few executives who was fired from their job after just a few months on the job. It turned out that they had lied about their qualifications and experience on their resume. The company did a thorough background check and discovered that the executive had no relevant experience and qualifications. The fallout was huge, not just for the executive but also for the company. They feel that the candidate lied about the qualifications and experience. The company did a thorough background check. They discovered the candidate had no relevant experience. The fallout was massive, not just for the candidate, but it shook the entire company to its core. Lying on your resume? It's a silent career killer. The risks of embellishing your resume are very real. So what are the key takeaways here? Honesty is truly the best policy when it comes to your resume. Don't jeopardize your professional reputation by lying or exaggerating. Remember, integrity matters in every job application. Your future self will thank you for being truthful. Have you ever had a close call with your resume? Maybe a typo that almost cost you an interview. I want to hear your stories in the comments below. We all have those moments, right? And if you're looking to level up your job application game, don't miss my next video. I'll share tips on crafting a standout professional resume. If this video helped you out, share your happiness to others. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. And hey, share this with a friend who's job hunting. They might just find their dream job with a little help. Let's support each other on this journey. Thank you for watching.